So what if I just lose my mind? Make a scene and run around. Show you what I feel inside all the time. Hey.
Hello everyone, Yusuf coming at you guys here with another video today. So today's video is kind of going to be two videos in one. Originally I intended this to be two separate videos, but looking through all the footage I noticed that I really only had enough content for one. So we're going to be showing off the new wheels on the car along with the new springs. Now the springs and wheels have been on there for a while, so you'll get to see the springs kind of before they set in and then after they set in to kind of tell the difference, along with when the wheels were first installed before I had the springs on. So you'll get kind of a nice comparison of all three stages of the suspension, and yeah, let's go and take a look. Before I go further into this video, I figured I'd go over why I got these wheels and these springs specifically. So a huge shout out to Sam Stoppler. I actually ended up watching a few of his videos with these wheels on his car, and I just knew that I had to have them as soon as I saw them. They look absolutely amazing in satin black. It complements the blue and black color scheme that I'm going for, and the body lines match up perfectly with the wheel. As for the springs, the Eibach Sportlines are known to be one of the most aggressive springs that you can get on the Mustang. Really the only one that's more aggressive than that is the H&R Super Sport, but I did get these springs for free, so that was kind of an obvious choice for me. So we are at Discount Tire right now. Got the Mustang over there, got the wheels lined up, so just waiting for the appointment, but pretty excited to get the wheels on. I will show you guys what it looks like after it's done. Alrighty guys, so the moment we are all waiting for is here. The wheels and the tires are on. Now I did actually give them black lug nuts, but unfortunately they were slightly too short. Those were just the ones that were sold to me, so it wasn't really my fault per se, but they do have black lug nuts on the way and they'll be switching those in a couple days here. So I'll probably have more clips in this video here so you guys can see that, but this is just kind of the initial look. Got a staggered setup, so you got the 19x9 in front, 19x10.5 in the rear. The rear does poke out ever so slightly, which is perfect. That's kind of what I was going for. 35 offset in front, no spacers. 45 offset in the rear, again, no spacers. And yeah, car looks 10 times better. I'll do a quick little walk around. Now I'll be putting up pictures and videos clips later in this video, because the lighting right now is not really ideal, but this is kind of what we're looking at. So yeah, really a big fan of these wheels. I think they really just complete the car. And yeah. Alrighty guys, and here is the final setup once the springs have settled in and with the black lug nuts on. So I gotta say I'm extremely happy with this. I was riding a little bit higher in the front just because the springs hadn't quite set in yet, so I wanted to make sure I gave you guys a realistic example of what you could expect. But again, these are a 1.3 inch drop in the front and a 2 inch drop in the rear. That is for the GT Coupe. If you have a convertible or a different trim, the spring rates may vary, so make sure you check that on your car. But yeah, that's going to be wrapping up today's video, and we'll go ahead and roll the outro. Alrighty guys, so it's getting pretty dark, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this two-part feature, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Hold back all the things I feel. If I hold back, maybe they're not real. What if I don't and just let you deal? Would you go? Let me know. So what if I just lose my mind? Make a scene and run